One of the things that I think is a negative aspect to Microsoft and using Active Directory is there's this notion of, well, you can use Active Directory, then it's easy to bundle on email, right? Because you can just bundle on Exchange services, Office 365. You start using Office 365, and the next thing you know, you're using OneDrive. And as an organization or an IT internal service company, you are making decisions at that point because it's easy to deploy, not so much that it's best of breed or best for your end users, your clients. That's something I really appreciate about JumpCloud because it's hyper-focused on directory service. And they're not trying to sell me storage or email services or anything else. They're really hyper-focused on this core business. I feel like I get a better product as a result of that, and I don't get pressured or lazy into deploying different things. It allows me to be free to fully evaluate every technology and what my users need and make sure that they're getting exactly the best product for that. So, I've rolled JumpCloud out at several organizations, and I have faced resistance at some of them. And I think that it's, once you actually walk them through the reasoning for it, it makes a lot of sense. But it really does take that going through line by line while you're making these decisions. And JumpCloud speaks for itself at that point. OS agnostic speaks loudly because you're no longer interested in saying, oh, you have to use Windows. I don't really care what your preference is. What makes you more productive is the only thing that matters. And that I can manage it and secure it. That's what ends up mattering. And that becomes obvious, and that wins the argument every time.